All right, it's a little windy today, folks. All right, it's a little windy today, folks, but I'm gonna go ahead and fly my FT Explorer. I've still got the old nose on there just so I can bash this thing around if I need to. This is my second flight on the airplane, so I don't want to be taking too many risks, and there still are a fair amount of unknowns. I'm gonna go ahead and get up in the air, and we'll continue the discussion from there. All right, so up in the air pretty effortlessly. And despite the size of this airplane, it still has a good presence in the wind, which is honestly something that I'm not used to. But it has good power, of course, with the 2216 1250 kV motor from Sunny Sky and the 9x6 prop. But yeah, overall, it's not a bad flying airplane. One main thing, if you guys watched the recent build video that I did on this airplane here, is that you'll notice is that I do not have my landing gear on here, which is interesting because I actually, like, it broke off. I was gonna put it back on, but I decided against it for one main reason. This wing is not straight. I decided against it because it just feels so much faster without it. Oh, there's a little bit of wing flutter there too. Yeah, so my rubber band situation for the wings is interesting because it allows the wings to flex a little bit, even though it's seated up on the motor pod, which is odd, but this thing's got some pep to it. Holy cow. Bringing a smile to my face. This is something that you don't really see on one of these airplanes. You don't see high speeds. That's all my elevator there. Oh my gosh, wow. My wing is definitely, I want to say that's like 5 degrees off maybe. There's a lot of good authority on this thing. Definitely could up my roll rate. That's a roll right there. It handles the wind like a champ. Holy cow, this is so much fun. Oh my gosh, the wing is really off center there. It flies like it's not. Like if I didn't notice that, I wouldn't be able, like if I wasn't seeing that with my eyes, I wouldn't notice that in the flying characteristics, I don't think. I'm definitely feeling the battery sag. This is a 25C 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell LiPo. It's a Rhino pack, and they're from Hobby King. Some of the lower quality packs there. Bottom of the barrel for quality. This one is like $6. They had a sale. $6 for 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell packs. Picked up like 6 of them. Had them for a few months. They're not too bad, but I mean, I love this plane. I can't say that it can really hold inverted respectably. It can do it. I'm a little scared too, because my down elevator travel, especially on such a long push rod, is very suspicious. So these are crosswind passes. It's not even downwind fully. I'm definitely getting some sag here. I think I might have to bring it in for a landing here soon if I'm still gonna fly at full throttle, but we're gonna go ahead and bring it down to half throttle and just chill out. I don't quite have enough for a complete negative G loop, but this thing is flying completely respectably in these 10 to 15 mile per hour winds, which is amazing. Pretty much axial rolls, I'd say too, which is outstanding. There's a lot to like about this airplane right now, even though, again, the wing is kind of off. It's like turned about 5 degrees to the right, which is odd, very odd. Anyway, I'm feeling the sag. I'm gonna go ahead and line up for a final approach and bring it in here. I might even be able to catch it in this wind if I can slow it down enough, but we'll go ahead and see. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the throttle and just bring it back down here. I got my magical hand out for catching it. Oh yeah. Let's do a go around though, just for kicks and giggles, so I can actually get a good catch on it without having to run around and shake the camera. So the key to catching is you want a nice long approach, and then you just want to bring it in. That's a little bit of a short approach. You want to be able to basically stop it about 20 feet in front of you, and then just, you know, baby it in with the throttle. So just like that, coming right up to me. And just like that, folks, you can see I got that catch rather easily. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my wing out first, and then we're gonna try that again. At the end of my Explorer flights, I always like to go ahead and do a few rounds of catching and just get some practice in. This is a rather non-intimidating plane to do, especially if you're off the throttle, because of course it's a pusher, props at the back there. But you can just, I'm gonna go around there. Wind kind of left, and it was bringing it in. It's gonna drop down right at me. So I want some wind. I want to basically stall it, just to slow it down and recover. A little fast. You're essentially just idling it on by. You can see I'm about to land like right in front of me, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of throttle out right in front of me. Catch it just like that. See if we can get 2 in a row here without a missed approach. Oh yeah, easy. Oh, wind hit it at the last second and just brought it up, but I'm like, nope, nope, go around. All right, here we go, we got this. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. The wind hits it just a little bit there at the end, and that's that. All right, there we go. There's that. All right, flip her on around. Get her out and up. Then go ahead, bring her on in. Timer's going off, so that's a missed approach again. Plane flies really well with just rudder too. I wasn't even using any ailerons on those turns, and just a little fast. I'm making up excuses just to keep flying this plane, honestly. Flying very respectively. All right, bringing it in, upwind. Final catching approach. I had that. I just had to jump. Oh. Okay, I'm a little high on this approach. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and drop a wing and lose some altitude here. Yeah. Boop, boop. Right on in. Just like that. Okay. Last one. This is just so much fun. If I had a nice warm day when cold fingers and cold ears was not a factor, I could totally just do this all day. Just do circles. Me just catching it. Oh yeah, right here. This is it. This is it. Come on. Just like that. Now that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I'm not gonna go ahead and throw it back up in there and keep doing that, although it's very tempting. I really enjoyed flying this Explorer here. Definitely gonna do some more content with this here very soon. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and comment down below if you have any thoughts. Like the video and stay safe, you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.